The To Inform Structural BMP module now has the helpful To Do tab that highlights what information is needed at various structural BMPs to ensure all are properly inventoried and maintained to their optimal form. To see what's on your municipality's to-do list, log in to Inform, navigate to the Structural BMP module, and select the To Do tab. The timeline at the top calls out the number of days remaining until your annual report is due. Markers on the timeline indicate today's date, and the orange triangle shows the annual report due date. Below the timeline are tables that organize BMP's to-dos by what action is required. The red icons summarize the number of BMPs with maintenance due, blue, assessments due, and gray, missing information. The left-hand table allows sorting by receiving water, urban drainage, or urban catchments, while the table immediately to the right summarizes by required action based on your spatial selection. Simply click on the table to expand the to-do list and see which BMPs need attention. The selected spatial area will update the map display and summary totals. Click directly on any BMP to open the pop-up and view what information is needed. Regardless of the spatial scale, the to-do table lets the user organize and view the BMPs that require a similar action. Use the Maintenance Due section to direct maintenance staff to BMPs with recent BMP RAM scores less than 3 that must be maintained to restore optimal performance. These BMPs are sorted by greatest potential benefit if they are rescored to a score of 5, based on their current score and their drainage area. Use the Assessments Due section to direct field staff to BMPs that require a benchmark or field assessment. Select a specific BMP from the table to open its pop-up where needed information is highlighted in yellow. Click on the Add Structural BMP Benchmark or Add Structural BMP Assessment button to complete an inspection directly from the BMP pop-up. BMPs in the Missing Information section require additional information from the user. Click on a specific BMP to open its pop-up and see the highlighted inventory section. Click View to open the inventory forms, and the tool will guide you through what information is needed. The Structural BMP to-do list can also be viewed in list form by toggling from Map to List in the upper right-hand corner. In the list view, expand any of the to-do headers to view more BMP details. Sort the BMPs by various column headers and use the action links on the right to view the BMP on the map or complete the required actions. For any BMPs with missing information, the list view quickly indicates what information is needed to complete the inventory without having to open any forms. You may notice some BMPs previously assessed have missing information. We've added some new functionality and requirements to the inventory section. Don't worry, you don't have to fill out this information to do assessments and run Teller. New inventory fields include drainage area selection that delineates the BMP area treated and inspection frequency to establish alerts on when the next inspection is needed. To select the drainage area, simply click Complete Inventory. Select the drainage area by clicking the appropriate polygons. For large drainage areas that include multiple polygons, use the selection tools located in the upper right to draw a shape around the BMP drainage area. Populate the impervious area field and click Next to proceed with the inventory forms. Any information that is required and not populated will be highlighted in yellow. The new requirement on the inventory form is the inspection frequency. Generally, BMP should be inspected every 12 months, but the user can enter any inspection interval appropriate for the structure. Populate all required fields and click Save and Close to complete the structure's inventory. The Structural BMP to-do page focuses your limited time and resources on the assets that need your attention most. Stay tuned for more functionality to come, and if you have any questions about your municipality's to-do list, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you for watching.